lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you're watching this video from. Welcome to Ella's Skincare. How you doing? Hope you are doing good, and I hope you are doing great. So lovelies, today I'll be reviewing one of my best and most loved serum. I'm talking about no other serum than the Gluta Magic serum, like you've seen in the thumbnail. I'm talking about this beautiful serum right here. But before going to the video, if you've not been following me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at EllaSkincare_1 and chat me up on WhatsApp. Phone number and skincare products, hair care products, promise ingredients, supplements, injections. I sell and deliver worldwide. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is free. Subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. And don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. If you want to ask anything, drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, ask your questions. Feel free to ask your questions. Drop all of them in the comment section, because every Sunday I'll make a video to reply all the questions and comments on my channel. And give this video a big fat thumbs up if you love this video. Without wasting time, let's go into the video. So lovely, like I said earlier, I'll be reviewing this beautiful, lovely serum right here. This is the Gluta Magic serum. Okay, you guys already know this, like I've talked about this a lot on the channel, but today I'm gonna break it down. Okay, and this also have a soap. If you come across this soap anywhere, this Gluta Magic soap, please pick it up and start to use it. Okay, pick it up and start to use it. I don't have a soap right here with me. I would have just be the two reviews together, but I don't have it right here, so anytime I have the soap I will make the review, because the soap is actually out of stock right now. We'll have it, let's say, in 2 weeks. Okay, second week of December the soap will be available, but right now the soap is out of stock. But I'm here to talk about the serum, and let's talk about the serum. This is the newly improved Gluta Magic skin whitening serum with vitamin C and vitamin E, rosy oil, and alpha lipoic acid. Now, if you are someone that uses supplements and injections, you watch the injections, the shots I have right here on, is it on YouTube, on my WhatsApp, because I know I posted it somewhere. There is a Gluta Magic injection that contains alpha lipoic acid, and this contains alpha lipoic acid. This is super good. It whitens in 5 days, and at the side it said it's a gentle and effective whitener that combines the effort of oxidizing agents to make the skin younger, smoother, and fairer. Use daily for a more radiant, beautiful white skin. Okay, and this is made in the Philippines. That's what it's written here. Okay, they said it's made in Philippines, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna review this. Okay, now if you watch, like, if you're someone that is regular on this channel, you're regular on this channel, you follow me a lot, you know that I've been talking about this a whole lot. This is a very strong, nice whitening serum. Okay, it doesn't just whitening, it's a whitening serum. This whitens you, it takes your skin to another level. This is very, very nice. Like, it's so good. It's not the type of serum that will be very harsh and start giving you a red undertone. No, this is not going to give you a red undertone. It gives you a white undertone. You can actually add this to any of your lotion and it goes with it. Like, this is just something that you can just add to anything that you have, any of your base cream, any base cream that you have, and just add it to it, and it blends well. You can use this on your face too, in case you don't know. You can use it to mix your face cream and it will boost the effect of your whitening face cream. But please, this is not for dark skin, it's not for light skin, it's for whitening. Okay, it's for whitening. This is one of my #1 must-have when it comes to pro mixing. Okay, I know I've not done that kind of video here on YouTube, but I will. Okay, I will do a video, things that you must have when you're doing your pro mixing. When you're pro mixing a whitening lotion, you're pro mixing a whitening cream or a lightening cream. Okay, this is a must-have. Okay, like, this is a must. You must have this. Okay, there are other serums that are must-have, but this one right here is one of my best so far. Okay, after Gluta Magic injection serum, okay, after that Gluta Magic injection serum, this is the serum that I love so much. Now, how do you use this serum? If you have a 500 ml lotion and you want to add this to your lotion, I will advise that you use 3 of this into your 500 ml lotion. If your lotion is very, very thick, okay, if your lotion is very, very thick, add 3 of this to your 500 ml lotion. Okay, if it's thick, add this to it. And if your lotion is not thick, your base is that kind of light watery base, because Me myself, my own cream is just like water. So if you have that kind of base cream, okay, you can add 2 of these to your 500 ml. Okay, you can add 2 of these to your 500 ml. And if you're using a 300 ml lotion, because most products right now are 300 ml, 250 and 500. If your lotion is very light, you can just add 1 of these to it. And if your lotion is thick, add 1.5 of this. This is 50 ml. Okay, this is 50 ml. The bottle is 50 ml. So for your 250, so for your 300 ml lotion that is very light, you just need 1 of these and you're good to go. If it's very thick, you need 1.5, which is 75 ml. For your thick 300 ml lotion, this is 50 ml. You need 75 ml of your thick 300 ml lotion. Okay, so lovely, that's just it. It's very simple, because those of you have been asking me, Ella, do a review, you're talking about this, do a review. Now you see it, this is the review. I love this so much. And when you're buying this in the market, look at it very well. Sometimes you might not see this place under, because sometimes when you're buying it, when they are shipping it for you, this thing might just pull off from any shop. You can see this anywhere, look for it and buy. So if you don't see this gold plated stuff under, you can still buy it. It means that it just fell off, because this is not strong. Like, it's not really strong. Okay, it's not strong, so you might not see it in some of them, you might see it in some of them. So if you don't see it, still buy it. Okay, still buy it. It's a serum that you want to have. It's a must-have serum. Okay, lovely, that's the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Till I see you in my next one, I always say remain blessed. Bye.